In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check for IEPs, 504s, and ELL status within Infinite Campus. So this is really important to do as we're starting a new semester to know what students on your roster are, a special ed student, an ELL student, or maybe have a 504 plan. So here's some step-by-step instructions. I'm not going to read through it, but you might want to come back to this if you need to. Remember that the icon for special ed is either a gray or a white, like paper document. The icon for ELL is the little person with the check mark, and 504 icons are going to be flags, and when you hover over it, it'll say 504. Remember to please add new students or update your accommodation tracking form for second semester. All right, so once you've logged into Infinite Campus, you're going to want to go into the instruction side of things. And over here on the left side, you're going to click Roster. So here we have a class with all of our students, and you'll see all these flags and icons and things. And that's for students. So if you see one of these under the IEP column, that means that the student has an IEP. Now mine is gray because that means I don't have access to the IEP. If you hover over it, you can see who the case manager is, and you're able to just send an email request to that person. If you do have access, that icon will be white. So if we look here, we have a person with the check mark, and that person is an ELL student. So in that case, I might want to reach out to their EL advocate. If you see any that have a flag, and when you hover over it, it'll look like this, but this one says SPED. But when you hover over it like this, it'll say 504, see case manager. And remember that case managers for 504s are the counselors. It's also important to note that you might want to also check for other health requirements or other health issues that the student might have. So some things to remember as you're preparing to meet some of your new students or continue working with some of yours as we move into second semester. If the IEP icon is gray, you need to email the case manager to request access to that IEP. 504s are through the counselor. And it is really important that you update the accommodations tracking form. Remember, this document is your go-to for all of these accommodations that you can provide. Also, don't forget to check for other health conditions. If you have any questions or you need help, please reach out.